All right, I wanted to go over the new revision of the 1.8T billet valve cover that we just had made. The first design, people were saying that they didn't like how the machining was looking on the actual face of the cover, so we had the CNC machining shop run horizontal lines, and as you can see, it almost looks like it has a mirror finish to it. And this is the version 2 of the billet valve cover. It comes with the same standard threaded oil cap. Comes in a box like this. You'll have foam pads to prevent damages on the sides. You'll have also additional 2AN-10 fittings for the valve covers that go here. And then this is how it's test fitted on our head. This doesn't have a gasket in, so you can see it still fills in the gas nicely, as well as here. And the gasket will fill in the other gaps once you've bolted down. We will include longer studs because once the gasket is in, it's going to sit slightly higher. You can get away with using stock studs. You just have to start tightening these first. There you go. You can plug it in, drop straight in. It's already lifted for the tall coil packs. All right, and this is what it looks like with the coil inside. So you can see they connect with a flush, and basically it has this gully just to kind of make it look nice. But this fully shaped design, the only other thing you have to do is factory ground sits around here. You have to extend it to either this stud, which is generally what we do, very simple process, or you can pretty much plug it anywhere on the valve cover that you'd like that has a stud portion.